So I was outside today and there was this really strange ass noise, and I have no clue what it is. I recorded it, and today's date is the April 19th, 2020, and this is real. I was just I was wondering if you know anything about this. Anybody, please, please contact me. I'll let you listen to it. You heard that? If you didn't hear it, I'll play it again. You heard that? That was the first one, and then I have another one I took. This was the same time. Oh. Please let me know what it is. I am actually scared. This is just right outside my house. And just please tell me.